So, Rosopl dentures are basically marketed as an affordable and convenient way to improve your smile without the cost of traditional dental work. But there are a few things the marketing may not emphasize. The biggest issue is fit. Dentures aren't one size fits all, and something that looks great in an advertisement may not fit comfortably or securely in your mouth. A poor fit can make eating and speaking difficult and may irritate your gums. I'd also be careful with claims that these can replace professionally fitted dentures. A cosmetic dental product might improve the appearance of your smile, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's suitable for long-term, everyday use. So, are Rosopl dentures worth buying? I'd be cautious. Check the sizing process, materials, customer reviews, and especially the return policy before spending your money. Overall, the low price may be tempting, but when it comes to something you're putting in your mouth, comfort, fit, and safety matter much more than the marketing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.